All right, thank you, John. Yeah, and this is a casserole, which would be great for your dinner tonight. And this is from a relative of yours?
Yes, my nephew James. He lives here in Lincoln with his family. He's in his early 30s, and he's a Special Olympic guru. My brother farms, so he loves to go out and help on the farm, particularly cattle. He just loves hanging out with the cattle and working with the cattle. But he shared his recipe because his staff helps him cook meals once a week for his family.
Oh, great.
So it's fun.
Okay, and so what is this one called?
Chicken curry. I call it James's chicken curry. They
Perfect.
just had something there. But we started with broccoli. I just take plain old broccoli, slit the top, and then put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. And I'll put the chicken on the top in this way, and then we'll mix up the sauce. We start off with chicken noodle soup, and then we'll put the sour cream.
Is it cream of chicken?
Cream of chicken.
Cream of chicken.
Not chicken noodle. I don't know why I say something like that. And then a little bit of water.
Okay.
And pepper. And it says you can put salt, but there's so much salt in the cheese in the soup that I don't ever put any
Don't
extra.
add any extra. Okay.
Yeah, and then I've got a little cheese over here. I'll sprinkle on top of here, and then you can dump that other cheese in there.
Into this mixture?
Into that mixture.
Okay.
And then we'll just put it on top and cover it with put the Ritz crackers. Okay. And then you just put it in the oven about 40 minutes until it's all bubbly. Okay. But I boil my chicken and then I shred it. I don't know why. It just works good to boil it rather than try to simmer it in a skillet. It's a little.
And you use chicken breast for this?
Yes, I use chicken breast. It takes about 2 pounds. These are like half recipes that we have out here.
Oh, okay. So you can double this?
Yes, you can double it or just cook it like this, and it freezes well. Okay. I'm always surprised. And then if you want to sprinkle that on there, and then it's ready to go.
All right, so we're looking at the recipe, and that is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page if you want to copy that down.
Good, good.
And there we go. How long do you bake it for?
About 40 minutes until it gets bubbly. If you have, if it's in the refrigerator overnight, you might want to bake it just a little bit longer. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to get them warm. But like I said, you don't need the steamer broccoli, just plain old bag of broccoli, slit it and put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes till it's soft. Sometimes you have to cut them up a little bit.
Right. No, this is really good. John, you're going to want to try this. Brandon as well. And like I said, this recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Back to you, John.
All right, sounds good.